Right, this is our fabrication department. We've got the main pipe is brought in from the production facilities over on the far side. The pipes are brought in, they're fabricated, cut up in numerous sections, T, catch pits, elbows. We've got in front of us here is a manifold. The smaller F2 tool are primarily for the smaller fabrications, for routing and capping of the small pieces. Fabrication is done to the spec of the drawings and the customer's requirements. The cuts are put in, the weld are prepped, routed, then a cap finish on the process, and then final checks on before they finally go out. But as we go up in size into the large diameter and larger unique pieces, we tend to use the S4, and then the further up then for the larger base plates we're using the S6. Start to finish on a fabrication process 3 to 4 days, so it's quite a good turnaround on what we're doing.